Hi guys, it's Alan here, the digital mentor, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about LinkedIn and in particular gaining more followers on LinkedIn. Yes, you might say LinkedIn has connections, it also has followers as well. So, without further ado, let's jump into this. Hi guys, it's Alan here, the digital mentor, helping you navigate your way through the digital landscape. And today I'm going to be talking all about LinkedIn and in particular your followers. Okay, you might say to yourself, well, followers on LinkedIn? Yes, we have followers. There is a fantastic section where you can find out who's following you and also you can follow them back as well. So you can really narrow down your search and see exactly what people are looking at and who is looking at you on LinkedIn. And then you can reach out, connect, build those relationships. So let me jump straight over to my screen and show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we are in my LinkedIn profile, and as you can see I have all of my details here. So we have the whole 9 yards of your LinkedIn profile, and where I want to talk to you about today is the activities tab. Okay, and you can see it down here. I'm just going to bring it up there a little bit more so you can see this is your activities tag, and in your activities tag is basically where anything that you post on LinkedIn is available. So you can see exactly what you've been posting for the last couple of weeks. You can also see any documents, any videos that you've posted as well will all be in this tab. But what we are looking at today is right over here on the left hand side, right underneath the activities tab. Okay, you'll see underneath here it has followers. Okay, and this is a part of LinkedIn that a lot of people don't know about, but they also don't utilize. Okay, so what I want to do is show you exactly what you can do with this. So basically, when we click in, you'll see here it has 3,604 followers. Okay, now of them 3,604 followers, am I connected or am I linking to them? So when I click it, you'll see there's a number of different perspectives. There is how many people that I am following. Okay, so you can see it's 3,960, and then you can have your followers. Okay, so this is people that are following your content on LinkedIn. Okay, now at the moment you can see there is a number of plus follows, and then there's also there's a tick mark with the word following on it. So anyone that you're obviously following will be marked like that. But for people who you are not following, you can use this tab here to actually reach out and connect with them. Now, the great thing about this is when you click on the follow, it will automatically click and it'll say that you are now following. They'll get a notification that you're now following them. Okay. Now, I'm a big advocate of speaking to people and sending a personal message. But the difference with this section here is that if you are actually, or if they are actually following you, they know about you, they know about your content because they're following you. So it's just a way of you saying, okay, I recognize that you're following me and I'm going to follow you back and I am interested in your content. Yet again, it is a pure choice of your own as to whether you do follow or you don't follow. But there's the option here. So as you can see, if I start to scroll down, I'm following a lot of people. And you'll also see there's a few in there that I'm not following, that I haven't followed. So if I don't particularly want, if I don't think these connections are, within my industry, or they're going to help me, I won't necessarily follow them. That's not saying that their content is any way bad or anything. It's just that I'm not interested in it. So yet again, you have to make up your own mind as to who it is that you think you should be following. Is there a opportunity there for you to do business with them? Is there an opportunity for them to introduce you to someone else that you may be trying to get in front of? So I would always say have a look at the profiles and see who they are and how you can help them or how they can help you. to increase your visibility or build your awareness and brand awareness on the actual platform as well. So as I said, it's a very, very easy tool to use, and it's a handy tool to have in your arsenal. And I would always say is make sure that you do check this on a regular basis, because you may be missing out on a number of different opportunities that you can avail of when it comes to LinkedIn. Okay, so I do hope this is of interest to you, and that you will start to look at this, and you will start to maybe engage and maybe have a look and see how best it can help you to progress your career and progress your visibility on the LinkedIn profile, and also on LinkedIn as a whole. And it is hugely beneficial to anyone's business, whether you are a solo entrepreneur, a brand manager, a brand executive, or wherever it may be, that you may be in sales, that may be of interest to you, that you are able to create these warm leads, because if these people are already following you, they'd be more inclined to connect with you and engage with you on LinkedIn. So guys, start looking and start using LinkedIn as a very, very phenomenal networking tool as much as anything else. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget, stay tuned. We have always got great videos coming up here in the Digital Navigators group. And if there is anything that you would like me to look into or share with you in a bit more detail, please do get in contact. Leave your messages in the comments below, or you can send me an email to alan@compassmedia.ie. I look forward to talking to you soon. For myself, Alan Hennessy, the Digital Mentor, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.